Collaboration in a workshop is a tricky beast to get right. Here's the challenge. How do you change the mindset of people so they feel safe to share? Ideas flow freely, and trust is the foundation of your team culture. We have two simple guiding principles at More Space for Light to create a double dip by default vibe. Now, the first principle, how you look after each other. Here I refer to caring for each other's well-being. The three main things we do here are check-in questions, allow people to share how they are feeling coming into the space. Family dramas, competing deadlines, did I turn the hobs off? All of these things can cause distraction and prevent people from being present. Number two, give time. Why not have a 50-minute session instead of an hour, or 1 hour 45 instead of 2 hours? You will give people the space to reset and recalibrate between their other meetings. And number three, be easy on people but tough on ideas. Don't allow feedback to get personal. How can you celebrate those bad ideas? Can you rank them after your discussion? Are there seeds here relevant elsewhere? Now, our second principle is how you work together. These are the behaviours and expectations of people in how we show up. The three main things we do here are giving people enough time to think. In order to do this, we use a liberating structures technique called 1, 2, 4, all. It gives people time to think individually, find a partner to discuss, 2 pairs there, then share, and then present to the group. People will notice overlaps in their thinking and self-select the ideas with the biggest potential. The second thing is don't overload the agenda. What is the one thing you want to focus on? Write it big on the board, in caps, in red pen, so it's visible to everyone. This will help you keep collective focus during your session. Now, my favourite and third and last one is danger words. They shouldn't just be reserved for our most intimate moments. We use Elmo. It means enough, let's move on. Invite the group to own this. Celebrate it when they use it. Keep things light. Now, these two principles will help you unlock the full potential and allow ideas to flow from your team, introverts and extroverts alike. Now, DM me if you want to learn more about how you can get the double dip by default vibe happening in your team sessions. You can also join us Monday for another Innovate or Cry Trying LinkedIn audio event. I'll be sharing with Daniel Logan Gill on ideas about creative thinking and problem solving. We'll put a link to our group in the chat below and we'll post in there soon enough. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day.